Welcome to the Mixed Operations Quiz. Let's have fun adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Get ready to play. On, what is 5 plus 3? Is it A, 7, B, 8, C, 9, or D, 6? Correct answer is B, 8. If you have 5 toys and your friend gives you 3 more, now you have 8 toys. Then Ladybug uses the toys to invent a funny dance. 2. What is 18 divided by 3? Is it A, 5, B, 6, C, 7, or D, 8? Correct answer is B, 6. If you share 18 balloons among 3 friends, each gets 6 balloons. Then the balloons all have a funny parade. 3. What is 9 minus 4? Is it A, 5, B, 6, C, 7, or D, 3? Correct answer is A, 5. You had 9 books, but you gave away 4. Now you have 5 books left. Then Chase from Paw Patrol uses the books to decorate a giant cake. 4. What is 6 times 2? Is it A, 12, B, 10, C, 14, or D, 8? Correct answer is A, 12. If you have 6 groups of 2 candies, you now have 12 candies in total. Then the candies all fly to the stars. 5. What is 27 divided by 3? Is it A, 9, B, 8, C, 7, or D, 6? Correct answer is A, 9. If you share 27 magic wands among 3 friends, each gets 9 magic wands. Then Peppa Pig uses the magic wands to launch into space. 6. What is 15 minus 9? Is it A, 5, B, 7, C, 6, or D, 9? Correct answer is C, 6. You had 15 cookies, but you gave away 9. Now you have 6 cookies left. Then the cookies all build a crazy tower. 7. What is 7 plus 11? Is it A, 18, B, 17, C, 16, or D, 19? Correct answer is A, 18. If you have 7 crayons and your friend gives you 11 more, now you have 18 crayons. Then Mario uses the crayons to decorate a giant cake. 8. What is 24 divided by 6? Is it A, 5, B, 6, C, 4, or D, 3? Correct answer is C, 4. If you share 24 ice creams among 6 friends, each gets 4 ice creams. Then the ice creams all have a funny parade. 9. What is 8 times 3? Is it A, 24, B, 21, C, 27, or D, 26? Correct answer is A, 24. If you have 8 groups of 3 soccer balls, you now have 24 soccer balls in total. Then Elsa uses the soccer balls to decorate a giant cake. 10. What is 29 minus 15? Is it A, 12, B, 14, C, 15, or D, 16? Correct answer is B, 14. You had 29 dinosaur toys, but you gave away 15. Now you have 14 dinosaur toys left. Then the dinosaur toys all start dancing. 11. What is 3 plus 19? Is it A, 23, B, 22, C, 21, or D, 20? Correct answer is B, 22. If you have 3 apples and your friend gives you 19 more, now you have 22 apples. Then SpongeBob uses the apples to invent a funny dance. 12. What is 30 divided by 5? Is it A, 6, B, 7, C, 5, or D, 8? Correct answer is A, 6. If you share 30 butterflies among 5 friends, each gets 6 butterflies. Then the butterflies all start dancing. 13. What is 12 times 2? Is it A, 26, B, 24, C, 22, or D, 28? Correct answer is B, 24. If you have 12 groups of 2 rubber ducks, you now have 24 rubber ducks in total. Then Moana uses the rubber ducks to build a magic castle. 14. What is 16 minus 9? Is it A, 8, B, 9, C, 7, or D, 6? Correct answer is C, 7. You had 16 marbles, but you gave away 9. Now you have 7 marbles left. Then the marbles all start dancing. 15. What is 14 plus 6? Is it A, 19, B, 20, C, 21, or D, 22? Correct answer is B, 20. If you have 14 pirate hats and your friend gives you 6 more, now you have 20 pirate hats. Then Minions uses the pirate hats to start a silly race. 16. What is 21 divided by 7? Is it A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, or D, 5? Correct answer is B, 3. If you share 21 toys among 7 friends, each gets 3 toys. Then the toys all build a crazy tower. 17. What is 5 times 5? Is it A, 20, B, 25, C, 30, or D, 15? Correct answer is B, 25. If you have 5 groups of 5 balloons, you now have 25 balloons in total. Then the balloons all fly to the stars. 18. What is 17 minus 8? Is it A, 9, B, 8, C, 7, or D, 6? Correct answer is A, 9. You had 17 books, but you gave away 8. Now you have 9 books left. Then the books all have a funny parade. 19. What is 2 plus 14? Is it A. 16, B. 17, C. 15, or D. 18? Correct answer is A. 16. If you have 2 candies and your friend gives you 14 more, now you have 16 candies. Then the candies all build a crazy tower. 20. What is 28 divided by 7? Is it A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, or D. 6? Correct answer is B. 4. If you share 28 magic wands among 7 friends, each gets 4 magic wands. Then the magic wands all build a crazy tower. 21. What is 7 times 3? Is it A. 20, B. 21, C. 22, or D. 24? Correct answer is B. 21. If you have 7 groups of 3 cookies, you now have 21 cookies in total. Then the cookies all fly to the stars. 22. What is 13 minus 5? Is it A. 9, B. 8, C. 7, or D. 6? Correct answer is B. 8. You had 13 crayons, but you gave away 5. Now you have 8 crayons left. Then the crayons all start dancing. 23. What is 10 plus 11? Is it A. 20, B. 21, C. 22, or D. 23? Correct answer is B. 21. If you have 10 ice creams and your friend gives you 11 more, now you have 21 ice creams. Then the ice creams all fly to the stars. 24. What is 25 divided by 5? Is it A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, or D. 7? Correct answer is B. 5. If you share 25 soccer balls among 5 friends, each gets 5 soccer balls. Then the soccer balls all start dancing. 25. What is 6 times 4? Is it A. 24, B. 20, C. 26, or D. 22? Correct answer is A. 24. If you have 6 groups of 4 dinosaur toys, you now have 24 dinosaur toys in total. Then the dinosaur toys all start dancing. 26. What is 22 minus 13? Is it A. 10, B. 8, C. 9, or D. 11? Correct answer is C. 9. You had 22 apples, but you gave away 13. Now you have 9 apples left. Then the apples all build a crazy tower. 27. What is 15 plus 9? Is it A. 24, B. 25, C. 23, or D. 26? Correct answer is A. 24. If you have 15 butterflies and your friend gives you 9 more, now you have 24 butterflies. Then the butterflies all have a funny parade. 28. What is 18 divided by 6? Is it A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Correct answer is B. 3. If you share 18 rubber ducks among 6 friends, each gets 3 rubber ducks. Then the rubber ducks all build a crazy tower. 29. What is 11 times 2? Is it A. 21, B. 20, C. 22, or D. 24? Correct answer is C. 22. If you have 11 groups of 2 marbles, you now have 22 marbles in total. Then the marbles all fly to the stars. 30. What is 30 minus 19? Is it A. 10, B. 11, C. 12, or D. 13? Correct answer is B. 11. You had 30 pirate hats, but you gave away 19. Now you have 11 pirate hats left. Then the pirate hats all fly to the stars. Yay! You finished the quiz! Thank you for watching. Did you have fun? Then give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. More math magic is coming soon. Get ready for more fun. Our next video is Mixed Operations Part 2. Let's practice together.